Unlock your dream vacations and exclusive perks by mastering the Miles and More loyalty program. Miles and More is your key to unlocking incredible rewards with Lufthansa and its partners. So let's dive into how you can start maximizing your earnings and redemptions right now. Step 1. Earning miles. The most common way is by flying with Lufthansa, Swiss, Austrian Airlines, Brussels Airlines, and other Star Alliance partners. Make sure your Miles and More service card number is linked to your booking. It's usually done during the booking process or can be added later to your existing reservation. Beyond flights, you can earn miles through co-branded credit cards. Many offer substantial welcome bonuses and everyday spending multipliers, turning your daily purchases into travel potential. Check for partnerships with hotels for stays, car rentals, and even online shopping portals where you can earn miles for every dollar spent. Step 2. Redeeming your hard-earned miles. This is where the magic happens. The most popular redemption is for flights. You can book award flights on Lufthansa and its partners, often requiring just miles. Though taxes and fees will still apply, navigate to the Book Flights section on the Miles and More website and select the Book with Miles option. But it's not just about flights. You can also use your miles for upgrades. Imagine flying in a more comfortable cabin by spending fewer miles than a full award ticket. Look for the upgrade option when you're managing your existing flight booking online. This is a fantastic way to enhance your travel experience without a significant cash outlay. Miles and More also offers a variety of other rewards. Explore the Shop and More section for gift cards, electronics, and even exclusive merchandise. Some partners allow you to redeem miles directly at their point of sale. Don't forget to keep an eye out for special promotions and partner offers that can significantly boost your redemption value. Finally, stay informed. Regularly check your account balance and the Miles and More website for exclusive deals and program updates. By consistently earning and strategically redeeming, you'll be on your way to amazing travel adventures and exclusive perks. Happy flying!